So guys, today's video is going to be a very interesting one for the Huawei mobile phone users because I will show you some common tips and tricks that you will find on any of your Huawei mobile phone's camera. I will also explain the benefits of these tips and tricks so you can use your camera as a professional. So before starting the video guys, if you are new on my channel, then I request you to hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. So guys, first of all, here you can see the more option. If we click on it, so here on the top right corner you can see the information option. So if we click on it, here you can see all the features of your camera. So you can see the information about the features, that how you can use these features. After that, here you can see the pencil icon. It is the edit icon. So if you click on it, so for example, if I want to change the features, I will just take HDR to Pro. For example, if I like to take slow-mo to that position, I will take it and I will just click on that tick option, so they will change. So after that guys, if we go back, and here you can see the settings option. If I click on it, so after clicking on it, here you can see the resolution option, first one. So if I click on that one, so here you can see three options. So if I go on the bottom one, full screen, if I click on it and go back, so here you can see it has become a full screen. So if you want to get your camera to the wide angle camera, so you will just click on that one icon and you will just decrease it, and you can see that your camera has been widened. So that's how you can do it. So after that guys, if we go again on the settings option, so here you can see the assistive grid option. So if we click on it and we go back, so here you can see the lines. So actually these lines are, for example, if you want to take something's picture or some person's pictures, you want him on the center of the picture, so you can see the lines. Or for example, if I want to have it on the side, I can have it on the side. So it's actually a measurement like thing. So that's how it works. So other than that, if we go back, so if we go on the more option, so here you can see the HDR option. So I will recommend you, whenever you are taking the photos, you should turn on the HDR option, because it will make your pictures brighter and more beautiful. So I'll recommend you that you should always turn it on. So after that guys, here you can see the effects option. So if I click on it, here you can see different kind of effects. So you can apply different kind of effects here, as you can see this one. So you can also apply this one. So if we go on the top left corner, here you can see it. If we click on it, so this one is AI lens. So actually here you can see different kind of options. So identify is, for example, if you want to identify something, you don't know about something, so it will show you the name of that thing. And calories is, for example, if you want to know the calories or protein of a food, for example, you want to know the protein of a banana, you can know through it. And then you can see the shopping option. For example, if you want to do the shopping of something, so you will just take it in front of that thing and it will show you its price. And other than that, you can see the translation option, so you can also translate something through that option. Then you can see the code scanner. So if you want to scan the code of something, so it will scan the code of it. So guys, that's it guys. If you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.